Hi friends, I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro with us, and I'll explain how to adjust the fresh rate settings for a smoother display experience. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any update. So let's dive right in.